you, welcome to my channel Complete Tech Review, and welcome to another vlog. So in this vlog it's more about, I'm going to talk about the loading capacity of Triber. So in the background, if you can see, the Triber is fully loaded, even with the luggage. And also I'll be showing you how to apply or post the FASTag. So in the background, if you can see, I'm at a toll plaza, and how the FASTag works, so that also I'll be talking about. So let's check it out. So the Triber is fully loaded. I believe there are 4 cases on top. So one is a large suitcase with a trolley bag, sorry, 2 trolley bags, and 1 side bag and also 1 handbag. So as you can see, it is loaded to the brim. So inside I have 5 occupants with a kid. So my daughter, who is 8 years old, she's at the back, sleeping at the back. I have again an infant. She's only 6 months old, so she is in the the seat carriage, and my mom, myself is in the front, and my wife. So I think what I want to show you is mainly the luggage which rack, which is helping a lot, and which eases up a lot of space. As you know that the Renault Triber doesn't have much of boot space, so in the boot we could hardly fit like small bags, which is like 1 or 2 small bags. But because of the luggage carrier, we were able to fit so many items on top of it. So that's how it is. So now I'm going to show you the ground clearance. So even with full load, you have enough of ground clearance. So the ground clearance is still, this much. So basically the ground clearance is not impacted at all. And so far so good, the Triber is performing really well. So the roof rail max capacity is I believe 40 kgs, but we should not be putting so much of weight on top. So roughly this is going to be around 15 to 18 kgs. But what I want to show you is that it has so many bags can fit into the roof, to the luggage carrier. And this eases up a lot of space inside the car. So that's about the luggage hauling capacity of Triber. So we are heading to Bangalore. So this is the Bangalore highway. So I'm at the toll plaza, which is at Jadcherla. So the toll plaza, as always, is a lot crowded, and hence the background noise. So Triber's first long journey for almost 600 plus kilometers to Bangalore. We have covered almost around 100 kilometers, so more 500 to go. I will keep you informed or posted about the mileage, any issues, the AC cooling, and also if there's any wind noise which is coming through. So all these things in the journey ahead. And right now let's check out how the FASTag works. So the FASTag should be applied on the windscreen, so not from the front side but from the inside you have to apply for it. And make sure that the magnets where the sticky plate is or the sticky is there, that should be pasted from the inside, where the shining coat of the magnet is facing forward. So that's how it should be pasted, so that the FASTag sensor in the toll plaza, that will easily read through the FASTag, and automatically it gets deducted through your Paytm or your Beam account. So this is how it works. I'll show you from outside. So this is how it is from outside. So that's what I wanted to show you. This is how FASTag works.
చాలా బాగుంది.
The scanner which is there on top over there. So
అయ్యో
that scanner.
కదా దానికి
that
మొదటి
scanner,
దానికి
it
చేసి
automatically reads this tag,
చాలా క్లోజ్.
and then the amount which is there in your Paytm wallet, that gets deducted automatically. So that's how it should work. Now see, let us see whether it's working properly or not.
నేను
Certainly plays an important role, especially while going through a toll. It automatically reads it, and you don't have to wait and pay out money. So that's a convenience. And yes, so I'll keep you informed about the journey ahead, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you do so, please like and subscribe to my channel. This is Kevin signing off, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.